In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings to tap on Connections right away. Now scroll to choose More Connection Settings and then tap on Printing. Over here you can either tap on Default Print Service or download any other one and use it instead. They all turn on the same way. So click on yours. Make sure this switcher is blue and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. If you still can't connect though, don't worry, just tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Tap on Add Printer. And if your printer supports Wi-Fi direct printing, enable it thanks to this switcher. If you never used it before, tap on Allow in the pop-up, and then click on Find Wi-Fi Direct Printers so your Samsung can look for yours. You can also tap on Add Printer by IP address, input it here and connect manually by hitting Add. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!